YouTube, it's your girl Jayda Jonét, and I am back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys this Deepwave wig that I got from Alipearl Hair Company. This is a 28-inch Deepwave 13x4 wig. I'm unclear on the density. I want to say it's 180. It's giving 250 though. Honestly, it's really full. This is the packaging and everything that they sent me, and this is the wig. Everything already came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I didn't have to do anything to this wig. Y'all see those knots are yellow. That make this process super easy for me. I didn't have to do much work at all, and I was very happy about that. The hair was tea. This is the pluck on it. Looks really good. Flawless, literally. I love that they're doing this now because it just makes the consumer's job so much more easier. Even hairstylists, these wigs becoming bleached and plucked, honey. You don't have to do nothing but slap it on. So we're going to start with the ball cap method. I'm going to take an HD wig cap and I'm going to apply that how I typically do. I'm going to use my Erica J glue because I was looking for a stronger hold and I was going to be wearing this wig for some time. So I'm going to take my dried up Erica J glue, which is why y'all see me putting it on so ghetto. And I'm going to apply that across the hairline. Let that dry clear. Once it dries clear, I'm going to go ahead and take my cream foundation in the shade 10 and apply that all over the cap. Once that cap is dry, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off because it is ready to go. So you're going to cut off any excess cap and tie it in the back. Now for the wig, like I said, I didn't have to do anything to it, which I was so happy about. Y'all see how full this wig is though? It was giving way fuller than I think it is. I put that same makeup onto the wig as well, tried it onto my head to see how it was fitting. I like the fit, and I just had to check. You know, you have to do little checks and balances before you fully install it. I made sure that I combed back any hair so they wouldn't get in the way while I was installing, and then I clipped the hair back so I could start with the glue process. Going in with the same Erica J glue, I'm going to apply that across the perimeter of the cap. I'm going to do 3 or 4 layers because that is going to give me the best hold for the amount of time in this heat that I want to wear it. I did plan on wearing this wig for a week or 2, so I wanted to make sure that I got a good hold. Once that glue dries clear, you're going to go ahead and pull the wig down into the glue. You're going to press it in using your fingertips and also a comb if you want to. Be sure to just do tapping motions. Don't really press it into it because it will get kind of gummy, if that makes sense. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and clip the hair up, and I'm going to apply the Alipearl wig band, and I'm going to apply that and tie it so that I can get that melt. I leave it on for 10 minutes initially before I do my melt down and cut the lace. So I'm going to take that off after 10 minutes, and I'm going to cut off any extra lace, all those ear tabs and extra lace that's just in the way. After the lace is cut, I'm going to go in with this My Sticky Little Secret Lace melting spray, and you can use a spritz or any type of hard spray if you desire. They all do the same thing. I like this one. I'm going to apply that all around the hairline, and I'm going to fan it or blow dry it. I was being lazy, but you really want to blow dry it. Then I'm going to apply the Alipearl wig band across the perimeter once again for 10 more minutes, and this is what I came up with. So now I was trying to decide exactly how I want to style the hair. I didn't know if I wanted middle part, side part, half up, half down, flip over. I kind of was all over the place, but I need to figure it out because that was going to dictate how my baby hair's laid. So I ended up deciding on a side part. And I'm just going to take my wax stick and my hot comb and flatten this baby out so it can give scalp and natural vibes. Here I'm pulling out my baby hairs, and I wanted to do a swoop edge, but y'all, this edge gave me the hardest time ever. Y'all are going to see in the video, but I'm pulling out my edges and just prepping those to lay. All I do is pull a small little portion out and, you know, kind of match them to each side. I don't really do too much with the baby hairs nowadays. It's really clear and cut. And I'm gonna hot comb those down. That kind of get those to lay where you want them to without them being in the way. I did slightly pluck just a tad bit, just a little bit, just to get it to how I wanted it. And then I'm gonna cut them and get them to the tapered length that I like. And I'm gonna pluck them as light as I want to. The more you pluck, the lighter and natural they're gonna be. And then I'm gonna go in with my red pencil flat iron and curl those inward and give them a good swoop with some hairspray. And that's how I get my baby hairs. Now here's the problem where it came in. It was very pre-plucked, and I love a good pluck. I love a very natural look, but when you want to do this side part, it can get very tedious because I don't really like how it goes from thin to like dark. And if you see what I'm talking about, you see how it looks good in the front. I think I may have plucked a little bit too much on that baby hair, because when I tried to do the swoop, it may look good to y'all, but to me, someone who really like into their hair, it didn't look right to me on that swoop edge. So I wasn't feeling it, and I was like, something gotta happen. So I tried to do everything I could to perfect it. I defined the part with that same foundation color, and then I'm just gonna go in and hot comb it. And I'm still looking at it, but I'm like, something is missing. It was still very cute looking at it back on camera. Like, I could have definitely wore it like this, but I just was not satisfied. So I'm trying to figure out, what is it? Like, I'm looking like, what is it? So I'm going in and I'm going back to mess with the baby hair, because that line of demarcation between like the very light edge into the other one, y'all see what I mean? So even this looked a little bit better, but I still was like, something is off. So I went and cleaned it up with my brush that I do for my scalp retouch, and it was cute, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it. So it was cute. The hair is really cute and poofy and big. I prefer that big look, but they did want me to define it and stuff, so I am gonna go in and wet it. But this was how it was looking. Then the next day, y'all gonna see me come in a little bit different. I ended up doing a flip over because I was just not liking that edge, so I just flipped it over and minimized the edge, as you see. So this is the hair like in its natural state, no water, no product, but I'm gonna go in with some water. And I was looking so crazy, y'all. I don't know what it is about curly hair, but it's a sensory thing with me. When I have to spray all that water over me and have all that product and curl cream in my hands, it kind of makes me like go crazy. So I was looking real crazy. It was early that morning too, lash missing. I was really like in a mood, so disregard my face. But I'm just defining the curls and kind of making it look like something, because it was cute before, but you know, if you want a more uniform look, then you're gonna go in, add the water and the tools. But that's why I don't do all that with curly hair. So this is the finished product. I feel like it's really cute. This is the curls all the way defined. I do feel like that made the curls pop. Really pretty wig. Once again, major shout out to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. Always a pleasure working with them. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.